Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Social Security in 30 Minutes, Volume 1, Retirement Benefits, and Volume 2, Disability Benefits. And today I'm going to be talking about work credits. And the author of Social Security in 30 Minutes, Emily Pogue, she explained in detail how work credits work and how it impacts retirement benefits. So this is in Volume 1. I think this is in Chapter 1 or 2 of the book. She explains what work credits are. And basically, in order to qualify for Social Security retirement benefits, you need to have 40 total credits, work credits. And basically, a work credit is a 3-month period of work, which counts as a credit. So that works out for 40 credits. It's about 10 years of work. Now, it's important to keep in mind a couple things. First of all, the work doesn't have to be consecutive. Like, maybe you need to stop because, let's say, you're going to school, or you're taking time off to care for children or to care for a family member, and you're not paying anything into the system, so you're not getting work credits for that. But afterwards, once you resume, the work credit system will resume. And once you have 10, you'll qualify for minimum Social Security retirement benefits. And I say minimum because the Social Security system, as I explained in another video, requires 35 years of your highest earnings in order to calculate your benefit. If you don't have 35 years of earnings, let's say that you only do the minimum 10 years, 40 work credits, and then the remaining 25 years, they're 0 years. Basically, Social Security Administration, to calculate your benefit, they'll just take those 0 years and those will be zero. Those will kind of average in as zero. So your benefit won't be as much. The details about how these rules work, they're very convoluted. The Social Security Administration website actually is the best source of information for current rules concerning work credits. And not only that, but also how they affect other programs, including Medicare and what other programs are related to work credits. So also certain types of Social Security disability benefits, including SSDI. Work credits do relate to that too. So go to the Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov to learn all about that. But if you're just looking for a general overview of the system and how it works for both retirement and disability, please check out the book, Social Security in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. I am the publisher of the guides. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.